we need to simplify, and I see that we have division over here. So my first inclination was to try and factor these and see if anything cancels. Now, since there's 4 terms in the numerator, what I would do is I would group those first two and see what factors out of the first two. They both have a 4 in it, and they both have an a squared in common. So inside the parentheses, we would get 10a plus 1. And then I would group the second two, 33 and 27, have a 3 in common that we could factor out, and that would give us 11a plus 9, and that's all over 5a plus 3. Now, I don't see anything in common here that we could factor out, either in this first grouping or the second grouping, or anything in the numerator and the denominator. So, we basically have to scratch that, and that tells us that we're going to get to do long division in order to simplify. So go ahead and set up a long division bar. So we've got 5a plus 3 is what's doing the dividing, and then 40a cubed plus 4a squared plus 33a plus 27 is what's getting divided by. So next, what you're going to want to do is just consider the first 2 terms here, and you're basically going to think about 40a cubed getting divided by 5a and thinking about what that would get you. So that would give us 8a squared. So that's what I'm going to write up here, 8a squared. And then once you have that, you're going to think about distributing that first term to the divisor, both the 5a and the 3. And we're going to multiply. So 8a squared times 5a would give us 40a cubed. And then we would also multiply it to the 3. That would get us 12 on 12. Hold on. That would get us 24. A squared. And then we're going to subtract that, so switch the sign of everything. This basically ends up canceling, and we would get negative 20a squared. I'm going to go ahead and bring that 33a down, and once again I'm just going to think about that first term, negative 20a, being divided by the first term of my divisor, which is a 5a, and think about what that would give you. That would give you negative 4a. So that's part of our quotient answer, negative 4a. And then go ahead and distribute again this negative 4a times the 5, which would give you negative 20a squared, and also negative 4a again times the 3. That would give us negative 12a. And then we're going to go ahead and subtract those, so basically change the sign of everything. This would cancel here, and then we would get 45a, and I'm going to go ahead and bring down that 27. And once again, think about that first term, 45a being divided by the first term of the divisor, which is 5a. That would give us 9. So that is a part of my quotient answer, plus 9. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, again, multiply this 9 to the 5a. And that would give us 45a. And then again, 9 times 3. And that would give us 27. Subtract here. And we would cancel, 0 remainder. And our answer is up top here. Right there. So that means we have answer A.